If your broilers don't grow significantly bigger in 2 weeks of using this formula, then you need to see your doctor. So if you want to make more money raising broiler chickens, then you should not necessarily have to spend more money trying to do so. You need to know how to use ordinary things like the ones I'm going to be showing you in this video. Yes, I know a ton of broiler growth promoters that you can use and get remarkable weights in a short period of time, but some of them are expensive or unavailable around you. Sometimes you even want to ask, how come these people are able to use all these and still achieve profit in broiler farming? Well, pardon me, we reach a global audience, and some of the things that are not available or cheap around you are actually wasting away in some other regions. So we're only helping them maximize those resources. But don't worry, I promise that in this video what I'm going to be talking about is actually available to everyone and relatively cheap too. So it makes more sense now if we say we want to make more money and we are truly reducing cost along the way. But wait. Before you jump right off the hook and say, I'm going to blend all these three things and serve it to my broiler chickens. No, I'm sorry to tell you, that's not how it works. But wait, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and make it work so that you can start making more money raising broiler chickens. But before we go right into it, you see, I want to take this time to thank all our subscribers for helping us to reach 30,000 subscribers. I know most of you out there will say, come on, you deserve it. And many would even say you deserve more. So if you're watching this video and yet to subscribe to the channel, why don't you do that and help us to reach 100,000 or even 1 million subscribers? You want to say that's scary, right? But isn't that how scary it is to want to get 3.5 kg broiler weight in just 6 weeks? But that's just one of the things I'm teaching you on this channel. So you see, I'm actually trying my best, and I think you should subscribe too. And hey, if you're already subscribed, whether before now or just right now, just type in the comment section, say, I'm in already, man. Alright, let's jump right back into it. How to make more money raising broiler chickens by using 3 ordinary things to boost broiler weight. So the first thing we are using is pineapple. Coco, you said?
Pineapple.
Come on. Pineapple is typically known to contain a generous amount of bromelain, an enzyme that is called protease, which is capable of digesting the proteins in your broiler diet. This means that all those protein foods that your chickens could not digest properly will finally be digested and converted into meat. You see, that's broiler weight coming. But that's not all. The second item on this list is fish. As you may know, fish is one of the richest sources of animal protein available in poultry. And in this formula, we're going to be using it to perform some wonders. The third and final item on the list is brown sugar or molasses. And if those two are not available, you can actually use white sugar. You see, sugar has been found to play a key role in fermentation, and that takes us to the next phase, which is fermentation. So the next thing to do is to get equal weight of the 3 items: the fish, the molasses, and the pineapple. So you get equal weight of these 3 and put it into a glass jar. You can try to crush the fish and the pineapples together first. We're talking about fresh fish now. Try to crush the fish and the pineapples together in the glass jar, and then top it with the molasses and try to mix it together. So equal weight of these 3 items, and you need to ferment for 14 days. Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah, that's the amount of time you need to make more money raising broilers. Alright, so I believe you're excited already, and if you are, you want to click the like button. Okay, so the final thing now is the dosage. So after you're done with the fermentation, you need to extract the juice so that you remove the shaft away and you're using only the juice. So the dosage now is 10 ml of that juice that you have extracted, that is loaded with lots of protease enzyme that can digest protein. 10 ml of that per liter of drinking water that you're going to be serving to your chickens. So 10 ml of this formula to 1 liter of water. So if you're using 10 liters, then you take 100 ml to 10 liters of water. So you can actually serve this to your chickens 3 days a week or as often as you want. If your broilers don't grow significantly bigger in 2 weeks of using this formula, then you need to see your doctor, or better still, you need to see this video. Alright, thank you for watching. This is DIY Agric, your #1 animal scientist and your poultry success partner. See you in the next one.